Police are looking for drivers on this and other area highways who do not obey the state's move-over law. It requires people on all streets to slow down or get out of the lane closest to emergency vehicles on the side of a road. KXAN's Doug Shoup takes an in-depth look at the problem and explains why officers say they must beef up their enforcement.
Well, Robert, it's not hard to understand why the Texas legislature passed the move-over law in 2003. On any given highway in our state, you can see how fast some people drive, and you can see how dangerous it could be if you are stopped on the side of the highway just feet away from that passing traffic. Police say emergency workers are put in harm's way every day.
People are not reducing their speed and they're not moving over.
Lieutenant Eli Reyes and APD's motorcycle officers are on a mission to educate but also save lives.
We want people to know what the law is and to voluntarily comply with it and move over or slow down for the safety of themselves and everybody else that's on the road.
The Texas Move Over Act requires drivers get out of highway lanes closest to a stopped emergency vehicle with lights on or slow down to 20 miles per hour under the speed limit. According to police, people are not doing that. In fact, officers say already this year they've handed out 485 tickets to people. Last year, 723 tickets were given out. The year before that, 905 tickets.
A lot of time what people think is, well, that officer's already on a stop. He's not going to stop me too. But people need to be aware that there is a law in place and we are going to enforce it, and we have been enforcing it.
Beginning Thursday, officers will team up.
Dodge truck, #1 lane.
While one goes after traffic violators,
We're going to go ahead and initiate a traffic stop on that vehicle.
a partner will monitor passing traffic.
72, 74, 73.
As we saw, not only did cars not slow down or move over, they sped past a patrol car going well over the 60-mile-per-hour speed limit. This video from the Texas Department of Public Safety shows what can happen in just seconds when a driver doesn't pay attention or loses control near a stopped patrol car.
If the vehicle drifts just a foot or two, they can have a collision with that emergency vehicle and cause death or serious bodily injury to that officer, emergency worker, or the driver of the vehicle that's been stopped.
Now, passing an emergency vehicle without slowing down or moving over is a Class C misdemeanor punishable by a fine of up to $200. If you are also speeding, you could get another ticket on top of that. Reporting live at I-35 tonight, Doug Shoup, KXAN News.